Redis is the world's most ubiquitous in-memory data store, yet it harbors a fatal architectural flaw. In an era of 128-core cloud servers, Redis remains fundamentally bound to a single thread. When your traffic spikes, Redis maxes out a solitary CPU core, while 99% of your multi-thousand-dollar server sits completely idle. Scaling Redis has historically meant wrestling with the nightmare of Redis cluster, managing fragile hash slots, spinning up 30 separate process instances, deploying clunky proxy layers, and suffering devastating out-of-memory crashes during snapshotting. Frustrated by over a decade of watching distributed systems engineers burn countless infrastructure dollars band-aiding single-threaded memory engines, former Google and AWS systems architects Roman Gershman and Oded Ponks set out to rebuild in-memory infrastructure from first principles. Founded in 2022, the mission of Dragonfly was uncompromising. Create a modern drop-in replacement for Redis and Memcached engineered specifically to harness modern multi-core hardware, NVMe storage, and modern Linux kernel capabilities. Dragonfly introduces a radical paradigm shift, shared nothing multi-threading with zero distributed cluster overhead. Instead of forcing developers to shard across dozens of fragile processes, Dragonfly operates as a single unified binary that treats a 64-core, 512GB server as one massive, cohesive memory pool. Its core philosophy is simple: complete wire compatibility with standard Redis and Memcached protocols, zero cluster configuration friction, and hardware saturating efficiency out of the box. Under the hood, Dragonfly is authored in modern C++20 and built upon an asynchronous, fiber-based execution runtime. Operating on a thread-per-core model, Dragonfly assigns each hardware vCPU a dedicated thread with its own non-blocking event loop and independent memory shard. Leveraging modern Linux kernel during system calls, Dragonfly offloads socket networking and disk input-output without incurring expensive thread synchronization or context switches. Memory management is powered by a novel custom hash table called Dashtable, a cache-friendly, flat indexing structure that replaces Redis's pointer-heavy dict, cutting metadata overhead and memory fragmentation down to nearly zero. For software engineers, adopting Dragonfly requires exactly zero code modifications. You launch Dragonfly with a single command: docker run p 6379 docker dragonflydb eo/dragonflydb/dragonfly. Point your existing application SDKs, whether Python's RedisPy, Node's iOrdis, GoRedis, or Java's Jedis, directly at port 6379, and every string hash sorted set, pub/sub channel, and atomic Lua script executes flawlessly. Developers get instant access to full Redis 7 command parity without the headaches of slot routing or key tags. Dragonfly's secret weapon is its patent-pending asynchronous snapshotting algorithm and lock-free multi-key transaction engine. While traditional Redis relies on Linux kernel fork, copy on write, a mechanism notorious for doubling memory consumption and causing catastrophic out-of-memory kernel kills during background saves, Dragonfly executes point-in-time snapshotting using user space version tracking with virtually zero memory overhead. Coupled with its fine-grained VLL transaction engine, Dragonfly executes complex multi-key atomic transactions across multiple shards without locking the entire engine. The empirical benchmark data is staggering. On a single AWS C6GN, 16x large ARM64 instance with 64 vCPUs, Dragonfly easily shatters 4 million queries per second with sub-millisecond P99 latency, delivering over 25 times the throughput of a single Redis instance. Even against a full 64-node Redis cluster, Dragonfly delivers double the throughput, consumes up to 30% less memory for identical datasets thanks to Dashtable compact packing, and maintains rock-solid sub-millisecond response times under heavy concurrent write loads. In a direct architectural face-off against Redis 7, KeyDB, and Microsoft Garnet, Dragonfly stands out as the most balanced and developer-friendly engine. While KeyDB uses multi-threading with mutex locks that suffer contention under heavy key access, and Garnet requires the .NET CLR runtime, Dragonfly delivers pure C++ native speed with zero lock contention. Compared to Redis clusters' complex cross-slot limitations, where multi-key operations fail unless pinned to identical hash slots, Dragonfly handles multi-key commands across the entire server transparently. For high-scale enterprises and fast-growing startups, Dragonfly translates directly to massive operational simplicity and infrastructure cost reduction. Companies like Verve, Stream, and top gaming platforms have replaced sprawling 30-instance Redis clusters with a single Dragonfly virtual machine, slashing cloud hosting bills by up to 80%. DevOps teams eliminate cluster rebalancing scripts, proxy maintenance, and complex cluster failover logic, redirecting engineering velocity toward core business features. Engineering is always about understanding trade-offs. Dragonfly is optimized for modern Linux kernels supporting EPAL enduring, meaning running on legacy kernels, or non-Linux environments, runs in fallback mode. Furthermore, because a single Dragonfly server can hold terabytes of RAM, hardware failure domains are consolidated, making automated cross-zone replication and high availability pairing critical for production resilience. Highly niche Redis modules or custom C extensions may also require testing against Dragonfly's API surface. The Dragonfly ecosystem is expanding at breakneck velocity. With robust native Kubernetes operator support, Helm charts, Terraform providers, and Prometheus metrics exporters, Dragonfly integrates directly into modern cloud-native observability stacks. Dragonfly Cloud provides fully managed, serverless in-memory caching across AWS and Google Cloud with automated backups, instant scaling, and SOC 2 compliance, while the open-source roadmap continues adding vector search capabilities and tiered NVMe flash storage integration. Transitioning to Dragonfly is genuinely instantaneous. Replace your Redis container image in Docker Compose, connect via your existing Redis client library, and unleash 25x higher throughput with 80% lower infrastructure costs. By reimagining in-memory computing for the multi-core era without breaking legacy protocol contracts, Dragonfly proves that you don't need distributed complexity to achieve unprecedented performance. Stop babysitting Redis clusters, switch to Dragonfly, and supercharge your backend today.